Hey, what's up guys? Today we are going to be putting in a battery in the bug, fixing that cable, and then seeing what comes off on the dash, and then that screw from last time. Put the screw in the caliper. It is windy outside, so caution. Yeah, I'm gonna grab everything, get all my tools together, and then we'll head downstairs and start finagling, see what goes on, see if it starts off the battery, because I might have revived it. We'll see. Okay, so I'll catch you guys outside. Alright, so we're back down here. Got the positive cable right there. Negative cable right there. Old battery. And tools. So gonna finagle it in this little spot. We'll hook up power and see what happens. See what she does. Alright, it's always so hard putting in this. I took the back piece off of this case, but it's always difficult. So I'll hook the battery up, tighten the leads down, and see if she'll start. That's what I want to check first. And we got a helicopter. Alright, so like I mentioned before, it has 134,000 miles on it. Not bad, not good. But let's see if she starts. Damn, right up. Okay. So we got traction control, brake light, ABS light, and airbag. Alright. I don't know why it's yelling at me. Got some rattles. I don't know why it's yelling. Oh. It turned off. Alright, let's go check it out outside. Alright, so this window doesn't go up. Headlights are on. Why are the headlights on? Okay. I don't know how to deal with that. Interesting. I wonder if there's like a daylight sensor. And that probably stays on too. That's probably what kills the battery as well. Okay, so we'll just have to disconnect the battery whenever we get done. I'm surprised though, it started. Let it warm up. Couple squeaky pulleys. Nice and quiet though. Alright. Well, since it ran good, I went ahead and disconnected the battery. Now we're gonna jack it up and fix that ABS cable. So, you'll see me when the wheel's off and the car's up. Alright, so we're back down here. This is the next problem that we're solving. Gotta cut all this away, expose the copper on both sides, and then I've got a whole kit. I'm gonna repair it, can join the two, and then protect it. While I'm doing that, I'm gonna fix these brackets as well. I'm not really sure what they're supposed to be holding, but yeah, I'll fix them straight though. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting this up, and then we'll crimp it. Oh, there's two cables. Okay, so got twice the work. See you in a little bit. Okay, so there are two wires, a black and a green. I went ahead, cut back the main shooting and then the little bits. I've already sleeved one side, that's gonna be the main sleeve, and I'm gonna double sleeve both of these so that they don't touch, no connectivity. Heat shrink 1, 2, and then 3. And then it should be good for a little bit, at least for a temporary fix. Probably wanna replace this whole thing eventually because there's gonna be some resistance, but as long as it works for now, it should be okay. So these are the pieces I'm using. Grab some more heat shrink. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, so I got them all crimped together, heat shrinked up. I'm gonna wrap it in tape of some sort. I might need to find my electrical tape, so I'm gonna go run upstairs, find my electrical tape. Then we're just gonna zippy tie it right up in here. Nice and out of the way. So, yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, I got it all taped up. Went one way and then back the other. Went onto the already existing rubber, so it's nice and sealed all the way through. This should be okay. Now we're gonna go inside, check the lights, see what's still on, see what's not. All that fun jazz. So, I'll see you guys in the car. Alright, so here we go. Let's see what lights remain. It's probably gonna yell at us again, so be ready for that. Traction control light's gone. ABS light's still on. We'll have to figure out that, and there's an airbag light as well. Okay. Well, shit. I'd say that's pretty successful. I recharged the battery successfully. I revived it. Just takes a nice little slow tickle charge, you know. Just gotta tickle it a little bit. We fixed the traction control, which is cool. ABS light is still on, so there's another issue somewhere, but I mean, all in all, I fixed two things today. I said that's pretty good. Boys, the next one, we're either gonna be replacing the belt in the front, fixing some of the interior pieces, fixing this fucking weird saggy window. I don't know why the fuck it's doing that shit. It just closed. I guess the more things you fix, the more things you fix, man. All right, shit, I'll take it. 3 things out of 3 things. All right, cool. Well, next thing is gonna be either the main belt, oil change, and then control arm. All right, boys? And maybe some spark plugs. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.